Alright, I have finally tapped into the correct bus, got the correct baud rate, bit rate, whatever you want to call it, and I am now able to pull from my multimedia, which actually comes off of this. So I can now get all my HVAC controls via here. So watch this. Off. It's at 131, 132. Then disappear. 131, 132. Now watch this last bit in here. This is the AC actual, speed, fan speed, sorry. Let's see where my hand's at. 06, 05, 04, 03, 02. 02 is the lowest because it won't go any lower. AC off. AC on. This is internal cabin air. Here is external air flow. Front defrost. Rear defrost. Oh, it looks like rear defrost isn't showing up. Oh, my car's not on. Haha, that's probably why. Front defrost off. Auto. This is the temperature. 131. Yeah, I got it. I got it, you fools. I got it. I'm gonna be pulling a lot more here soon and getting this finished and finalized.